Got a concrete patio that's pooling water and wondering how to handle the contractor situation without losing your cool? Alright, so first off, when you notice that puddling spot, it's totally okay to bring it up with the company. Start by showing them the problem calmly and remind them about the original chat where you discussed adding a drain. Since they promised enough slope to avoid puddles, they should be willing to figure out a fix. Ask if they can do a small adjustment, like drilling a drainage hole filled with gravel or drainage chips to help water flow better. If tearing up the whole thing isn't an option and you're not looking for a full redo, maybe suggest a partial fix or some kind of water channel. It's definitely not out of line to ask for a discount since you aren't getting exactly what you paid for, but keep it reasonable and polite. You want to keep things friendly but firm. Meanwhile, grab a leaf blower or some quick dry solution to keep that spot from turning into a muddy mess. Lastly, make sure you take photos and keep all your communication in writing. That way, you have proof if you need it later. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with concrete patios is not clarifying drainage solutions up front, which leads to water pooling and disappointment. Another common issue is assuming contractors won't charge extra for extra work like drains, so always get everything in writing to avoid surprise costs. Lastly, many people forget to inspect the slope during and right after the pour, but catching this early can save headaches later. To fix these issues, be super clear about your expectations before work starts, request detailed plans about drainage, and do regular check-ins while the work is going on to catch any mistakes fast. If problems pop up afterward like yours, negotiate politely but firmly for either corrective work or a discount. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors get connected with real work opportunities in their area so everyone wins.